chocolate, chalk.
I know, chalk.
Chalk.
See, remember when we used to write, like, remember when we found those pieces of chalk, Jen?
Yeah.
That's what
You think there's any relationship between chalk and chocolate?
No.
Sounds like chalk, doesn't it?
No.
There isn't any.
You could find out.
Didn't he fill up that truck yet?
No.
The big truck.
Where does he dump it out?
The truck dumps it.
Where?
Takes it to an empty hole. Probably where they're covering up garbage or something. That it yet?
No.
Gosh, one more even, huh?
Oh, even more. Ah! Look at the little chalk.
More chalk, right?
Yeah.
Look at all the big pieces of dirt.
Gosh.
Man, that'd be cool if you could do it.
Well, here we are at the Burg Rheilfels. We'll be looking down at the Rhine in a minute. Fulke and I have just had a beautiful time in the
Ey, das ist immer noch, die Arme ist voll auf.
Ey, die kommen!
Da oben. Da hinten kommt sie, ja.
beautiful, isn't it? Well, we're on top of the Lorelei, everybody. The famous Lorelei on the Rhine. We're just a few minutes from our hotel in St. Goar. And where's the mouse? Is that the mouse? And where's the cats? To the left? Can you see the cats? And our hotel is just around that bend to the left.
I'm going to sing.
Oh, this is the Lorelei lady. Give me a song.
I don't know how they sing anymore.
Come on, give a song.
I used to know the Lorelei song and I forgot.
I didn't know there was one.
Yeah, there's a Lorelei song.
In German.
Yeah.
How does it go?
I have no idea. I forgot.
Well, you're in the right place for it.
Sorry. People say, sorry.
Right behind him is another boat. You got good eyes. Yeah, I see it. And down the river, looks like about a 2-hour walk. Very steep steps going down all the way.
It's like going to the Hohenzollern.
What, that one?
We got this one, the Knöbernackt-Arsch,
Yeah.
an 89 Riesling. And we got
We got the one for $9.52.
this one,
Yep.
the Riesling. We got this one, Spätlese, I think, 88, right?
Yeah, we got an 88 and two 89s. An Auslese and a Spätlese.
And then we got the Würziger Schwarzwald Spätlese, 89.
Okay.
And that's it.
Not bad. Which one?
What has to do with the We gotta have some cake today. Something.
That's what we're gonna have, cake and coffee.
Something yummy.
Stop.
Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock, so we have to have
We'll
soon.
stop at 3 o'clock. This is the Moselle River. 2 cars on there, right? And a bicycle and a motor scooter. Well, how was your coffee, Mama? Good?
And the cake was even
Uh-huh. You liked it?
yummy, yummy. Yes, my belly liked it too. I have to work twice as hard.
That was the Moseltal Cafe, Hotel Moseltal. Okay, where do you want to go now?
Oh, I thought we were gonna walk.
Where do you want to go?
Walk.
Along the river?
Yeah.
Okay, start walking. I'll take a shot of you as you walk along and I'll get the scenery here.
Well,
Just walk across.
the car is coming.
See the Saarburg Wasserfall, and this is a t-shirt picture painting we're looking at of the waterfall and the water wheel, and all the little trinkets in the window here, all the little dishes and cups and saucers, and Mom's going to go buy her, what is it called, Vileroy and Bach in a minute. Cute little doll, Jennifer, huh? Little boy doll, blonde. This is the Russick collection. Full stream right here. Right on the other side of Fulke. Morgan! Here's the famous town clock. And the twin towers. You can see the 2 towers so clearly with the backlighting. Pretty old town square. Where's the mama? She's not standing on the thing. Here, no?
Oh, they all opened it up. Look at it.
Did they open them up now? Here's the waterfalls. There's the town up there. And as you look down, you see how they've diverted the stream. And here's the water wheel. Again. I'll zoom in on those 2 water wheels down there. We used to grind up the mill here. And somewhere, where's the Burg? Burg. It's up on top there, isn't it? Very interesting, a very high wall here. Right here is the town. That's the cars parked. Oh, Mom can't stay away from Vileroy and Bach. That's where we're going in about 20 minutes. You can't wait, huh? He's excited about this. You like this one here, right?
Oh, well, no, I like the one down there.
Which one?
Down in the window.
Which one?
The
Can't
one
get
in
it
the
for you.
window. I know.
Too far back.
I know.
Well, we'll get you another one pretty soon. We were at yesterday, the Burg way up on top. Here's the church in the area where we are right now. Some plates, we can buy some plates tomorrow.
West Germany now, or in Germany, which is going to be all Germany pretty soon. The Trabi is the old DDR, the East German car, and they've just started making them, looks like, here for little toy cars.
Along with Barbie dolls
they
and
look like
everything
little
else.
boxes, like little soap boxes.
They drive everybody nuts on the Autobahn
Because
because